The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Ka Meghalaya High Court Kishpotorek Ulvera Japan Rio, Kalakanta Yakaching Penbanada, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, GHADC, Kablapanmi, Hadnyo Trek Rampangar Japan Rio, Kabayday Bakjino Kamban, Syrnod Shadu Tribe, Yagibatap Kyrtong, Irang, Hagi Elekstion, MDC, GHADC. Ka single judge bench, Jung Justice, Hamarsan Singh Tankio, Kalapanbanai Garai, Habasngap Bishari, Yagaret Petition, Balamudoy, do Animal Hawk, National Namabila, Hapo Rajabala Police Station, West Garo Hills District, Persya ka dagijing penbana daga District Council. Karit petition ka penpau baga Executive Committee ka GHADC kamdon bor ban pendu ka hok thabut ik bomdai rulum tang daga Executive Order berkedau baga penkeng ya ka Azam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of District Council's rules khat khandai spasan phuai balashna hapo ka paragraph 2 in bracket 6 chonga 6 schedule. Senior Advocate K Paul bomi khmat nang mendak writ petition ulai saj baga chiksim benta baga jinglong khot lapanya Rule 128, but Rule 8 yung rules kakandai spasan puway, kabarangkam tang jinglong nong siyong bapura, nagamantagi bomday rulum, but kahok banbut. Kanogono kaching pangla kadi banbut, yung Rule 72, kataga Executive Committee, katawa kikandon, ka District Council, kapanskam, baulat pat unmanjur, syaban penmi ega, haga gazet. Kaching penmana, khatnyaw trek rumpang acham reo, kaya lat, but klembo akhmat ka District Council, lakadaw upol. Long madadu wala tawa ka District Council, but ching tawa ki rules, ki bomday rulum ki pau Kyrtong ka thop ki dong thabot but ki thabot lai loi na lor bakila longru git khot ka GHADC hadu mata USD ubay saj na mata ka GHADC ula penksan ba jingpuna ka de apo ka rule 29 in bracket A in bracket B but ka rule 30 da ka bakdaw ya ki jingla ba ki bor badangam kirki ba kumjo ula kadaw shikarai menshwa ha ka red petition in bracket C number 3 chongsnem arja khatsaw da ba phai shika Assam and Meghalaya Autonomous Districts Constitution of District Council's rules ka khandai spasan puai udai long ka pun ka boring Executive Committee da ki bor ban shim ki mat ki baran banta ka jingla ha ka komtri kam ya ka Autonomous District Council bar ban terwai jing pengala ha ki kendon lani ki rules wong ba rules 30 ka ai boring Executive Committee ban shim ki banta ba kirki wala ka council kamdon ha ka dorbar Advocate General Amit Kumar nagbanta ka jilla ula kubur ba kadang ka jingduna ba jindong kam ban penggalai ka rule 128 ula ong ba ki rules ba penskam ka District Council habban pha asya katana District Council Affairs but baro haban yo jing menjur na ulan shwaban pentri kam miki lakadaw ba kani ka kam hi kam shim ladan ka jingterwa ban penbai ka rules ba ka jing penbana kwan mi khlam da ya kat kum ki kendon kat kum ka rule 72 ba kumta ka tagi jing penbana kam yang Nongrim Justice thank you la paj bania ki paragraph 2 in bracket 6 but 2 in bracket 7 ka 6 schedule but rules ka kanai spasan puai bola shim ba Executive Committee kadani ka bor ban terwa penkala shushu law ba jingpen bana kadang dai tang ka first stage but la dai ban wan ra terwa jingpen kalai ka rule 8 but rule 128 jong ka rules ka kanai spasan puai ba kumta ka yeng ka shri kala kanta ye ka jingpen bana ka bala penmi khatnyaw trek rampang arjar penrio
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakhun diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya